Mido watches epitomize the perfect blend of style, functionality, and affordability. Founded in 1918, Mido has consistently produced timepieces that reflect both Swiss watchmaking heritage and contemporary design trends. With a focus on precision and durability, Mido watches are renowned for their robust construction and reliable movements. Whether it's the timeless elegance of the Baronelli collection, the sporty sophistication of the Commander series, or the technical prowess of the Multifort range, Mido offers a wide variety of watches to cater to diverse preferences. I included all the link in video description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 8. Mido Ocean Stardiver 600. A timepiece that epitomizes elegance and sophistication. This watch is a true representation of Mido's commitment to timeless design and impeccable craftsmanship. The Baronelli Signature M037.20 711.04101 features a stainless steel case and a black leather strap, exuding classic style and refinement. Its white dial adorned with Roman numeral markers exudes timeless beauty. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it offers precise and reliable timekeeping. The transparent case back reveals the intricate inner workings of the movement, showcasing Mido's attention to detail. With a water resistance of up to 50 meters, it provides practicality for everyday wear. Number 7. Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph M040.4 to 736.04200. A timepiece that effortlessly combines vintage-inspired design with modern functionality. This watch pays tribute to Mido's rich heritage and timeless aesthetics. The Multifort Patrimony Chronograph features a stainless steel case and a brown leather strap, exuding classic style and sophistication. Its black dial with chronograph subdials showcases both functionality and elegance. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it offers precise and reliable timekeeping. The watch also includes a date display for added convenience. With a water resistance of up to 100 meters, it offers practicality for everyday wear. The Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph M040.4 to 736.04200 watch is a true testament to Mido's commitment to excellence, making it the perfect accessory for individuals who appreciate vintage-inspired design and exceptional watchmaking craftsmanship. Number 6. Mido Commander Big Date M021.62622.03100. A timepiece that combines classic design with modern functionality. This watch pays homage to the iconic Mido Commander collection. The Commander Big Date features a stainless steel case and a comfortable brown leather strap, exuding timeless elegance and versatility. Its black dial with silver tone hands and markers adds a touch of refinement to the overall aesthetic. With a Swiss automatic movement, it offers precise and reliable timekeeping. The highlight of this timepiece is its prominent big date display, adding a practical and stylish feature to the dial. With a water resistance of up to 50 meters, it provides versatility for everyday wear. Number 5. Mido Baronelli Chronometer XI Watch. A timepiece that blends classic elegance with innovative technology. This watch showcases Mido's commitment to precision and style. The Baronelli Chronometer XI features a stainless steel case and a sleek black leather strap, exuding sophistication and refinement. Powered by the COSC certified Chronometer XI movement, it ensures exceptional accuracy and performance. Its white dial with Roman numeral markers adds a touch of timeless beauty. With a transparent case back, the intricate inner workings of the movement are revealed, showcasing Mido's attention to detail. With a water resistance of up to 50 meters, it offers practicality for everyday wear. The Mido Baronelli Chronometer XI watch is a true statement of excellence, making it the perfect accessory for those who appreciate both precision and style in their timepieces. Number 4. Mido Ocean Star Tribute. A timepiece that pays homage to Mido's rich maritime heritage and timeless design. This watch celebrates the iconic Ocean Star collection with a contemporary twist. The Ocean Star Tribute features a stainless steel case and bracelet, exuding durability and style. Its blue dial with wave pattern texture and luminous hands pays tribute to the ocean's depths. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it offers precise and reliable timekeeping. With a unidirectional rotating bezel and a date display, it combines functionality with aesthetics. With a water resistance of up to 200 meters, it's suitable for water sports and diving. The Mido Ocean Star Tribute Watch is a true symbol of adventure and style, making it the perfect companion for those who appreciate both the allure of the ocean and impeccable watchmaking craftsmanship. Number 3. Mido Ocean Star GMT M026.62917.0500, a timepiece that combines versatility and functionality for the modern explorer. Inspired by the depths of the ocean, this watch embraces Mido's commitment to exceptional craftsmanship. The Ocean Star GMT features a stainless steel case and bracelet, ensuring durability and style. Its black dial with luminescent markers and hands exudes a sense of adventure and legibility in any lighting condition. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it offers precise timekeeping and a GMT function, allowing you to track 2 time zones simultaneously. With a water resistance of up to 200 meters, it's perfect for water sports and diving. The Mido Ocean Star GMT watch is the ultimate companion for those who seek both performance and style, wherever their journeys may take them. Number 2. Mido Ballona Royal, a timepiece that showcases the perfect harmony of modern elegance and timeless design. The Ballona Royal embodies Mido's dedication to impeccable craftsmanship and refined aesthetics. This watch features a stainless steel case and bracelet exuding sophistication and durability. Its captivating dial, available in various colors, exhibits a sunray pattern and elegant hour markers. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it offers precise and reliable timekeeping. With a date display and a transparent case back, the Ballona Royal combines practicality and beauty. With water resistance of up to 50 meters, it provides versatility for everyday wear. The Mido Ballona Royal watch is a true symbol of grace and sophistication, making it the perfect accessory for those who appreciate classic design and exceptional quality. Number 1. Mido Commander Shade M8429.323.11, a timepiece that exudes a perfect balance of modernity and timeless appeal. This watch pays tribute to the iconic Commander collection with a contemporary twist. The Commander Shade features a stainless steel case and a sleek black leather strap, combining durability and sophistication. Its striking gray dial with a sunray pattern adds a touch of elegance and uniqueness to the overall design. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it offers precise and reliable timekeeping. With a date display and luminous hands, it combines practicality with style. With water resistance of up to 50 meters, it provides versatility for daily wear. The Mido Commander Shade watch is a true embodiment of Mido's commitment to excellence, making it the perfect accessory for those who appreciate contemporary design with a touch of classic charm.